Hey, it's time for Sunday Brunch. Joining us today is Chef Lulu Duran from Caesar's Killer Margaritas in Lakeview. And we have Israel Sanchez, I believe you said your name was. It wasn't in the prompter, but my goodness, we got it done. Good morning to both of you.
Good morning. Thank you for having us.
I'm glad you're here. We're making some amazing looking tacos.
Yes.
The aroma in the studio right now is so good. You were frying up some, what was it, bell pepper and some onion earlier?
Onions and a little cherry tomatoes
that's
for
amazing.
a Mexican style hash brown.
Yeah, so y'all have you have brunch at Caesar's, and you have obviously the killer margaritas and many other things. You have some Bloody Marys over there.
We do. They're actually micheladas.
Oh, okay.
So it's like a Mexican Bloody Mary, right? But we have some mimosas, you know, because sometimes margaritas can be too rough at 11 in the morning.
At 11 in the morning, yeah. You never know.
So we do have mimosas. We have our micheladas. We also have our non-alcoholic.
All right.
With Topo Chico or non-alcoholic beers. And then right now we're making our soy rizo. Yeah.
So this is chorizo made out of soy instead of pork.
Yes.
Correct. All right.
And so we recently launched our plant-based menu.
Wonderful.
And it's offered on Mondays, and he can speak to that.
Yeah, so we came up with this idea to do a plant-based menu because we saw that there was a need for that on our menu. And as we're always looking for new things, we discovered that plant-based was definitely a need for our customers. And along those lines, we came up with this soy rizo, which has complemented lots of our dishes. And it really, really does do very well, especially with the potatoes. So this is just another take for what we do for a healthier version or lighter version of what we call chorizo and eggs, or in this case, chorizo and potatoes.
It's always nice to have that option if you're in a big party that you come in and there's inevitably at least one or two people in that party that are vegetarian and need those options, right?
Correct.
Is this made in-house then, you said?
Yes. Yes. So, you know, most of the products that we use are sourced here in Chicago. We use a lot of our purveyors here in the city. Try to keep it as fresh as possible. But you know, many of these dishes are dishes that you'll find on our tables at home. Yeah. You know, so we'll take it. For example, the steak and eggs. That's something that's we've been doing it for a while. That was one of my dad's favorite dishes. So we put our spin. Lulu made this amazing hash brown, which has the cherry tomatoes, the cilantro, and the bell peppers. At home, we add a little jalapeno to give a little kick.
A little kick.
But then we also have these steak and eggs. Tacos,
which are his favorite.
Yeah, which are my favorite, with cilantro and onion, and those are, I mean, they're a winner all the time. And then we have the famous chilaquiles, which is corn tortilla with, and this is actually a really good vegetarian option because it's corn tortilla with green salsa. Okay. There's no meat, so yeah.
But you have the option of adding meat, yes?
Correct, of course. Yeah, right. And today we just didn't do that because, you know, just for what we wanted to showcase.
How do you go about making the chorizo in-house out of tofu, I imagine?
Yes, it's tofu, and it's a blend of spices and dried peppers. So guajillo and ancho peppers, and it's a roasting process, and you also throw, you know, spices in there, but not overdoing it because a lot of people overdo it with the spices, and so finding the right balance is important.
Y'all have been around a long, long time in Lakeview. Talk about what it takes to be a successful restaurant in Chicago, how you've ferried yourself through the pandemic and still came out and are successful.
Yeah, you know, one of the things that we pride ourselves is on the word pivot came around during COVID,
sure did.
And we were able to pivot during that time, just doing different things. And luckily, we've been able to team up with some really good people, doing some really good things in the city. And I think that's what really is making us stand out, you know, within the community. So, for example, this month in July, what we're doing is we're donating all the proceeds to the Chicago Food Depository. I'm sorry, from the kids menu, as we're trying to end hunger.
All right. Israel, Lulu, thank you so much. It was a pleasure meeting you.
Thank you for having us.
For all these years going to see you guys. You can see them at 2924 North Broadway in Chicago. The hour is right there. KillerMargaritas.com is where you can find them online. Y'all have a great Sunday.
You too.
Thank you so much.
We'll be right back.
Happy birthday.